How to use Keplr Wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can use it. So for this, you just have to download it from Play Store or App Store, or you can also get it for your browser. You can get it for Chrome, Firefox or Edge. After getting it, you will be able to find it in your extensions. Just simply create your account on Keplr and this is how it will appear. Now, in order to add different chains that you selected while creating this particular wallet, just simply click on the three lines at the top left hand side corner and click on this option of manage chain visibility. Over here it will redirect you to this page. Now you can select any of the chain that you want to add in your Keplr wallet, and after that just simply save it. This way the chain will appear on your Keplr wallet. Now you would be able to see that particular chain over here. After that, in case if you want to deposit funds to your Keplr wallet, just simply click on this option of deposit. Then select any particular chain through which you want to transfer the funds or receive the funds in your Keplr wallet. Suppose I want to receive the funds through Injective, so I will select Injective. Now this address will be copied and I can paste it up on any particular exchange in order to receive the funds in my Keplr wallet. If I want to send my funds, then just simply send your funds using this particular option of send. In case if you want to purchase the crypto using your Keplr wallet, then just simply click on this option of buy. Now select any particular option. You can use Kado or MoonPay in order to purchase, or you can also use Transact. But it all depends what crypto you are looking to purchase. In case if you are looking to purchase just Atom or Kava, then just go with the MoonPay, as only two cryptos are available to purchase on MoonPay. Otherwise, you can go with Kado, and over there you will be able to purchase USDC and all sort of cryptos. And this way you would be able to purchase using Keplr wallet. Now let's see how we can stake on Keplr in order to earn the rewards. For this, just simply click on this option of stake and then click on this option of stake with Keplr dashboard. Now it will redirect you to this page. Over here, all the cryptos that you hold on Keplr will be shown, and you can just simply click on this particular crypto in order to earn the rewards. The rewards are 15.77% for Injective, so we just have to select it, and this way it will ask us to select any particular validator, and just make sure that you also select and see the commissions of particular validator, because sometimes the commission rates are absolutely high and you don't want to stake with someone whose commissions are high. And just click on any particular validator and stake. This way you would be able to stake the Injective and earn the rewards. And this is how you use Keplr wallet. In case if you got any more questions, just throw them up in the comment section. I would be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.